Hello, I'm Alex Boatsy, yacht broker with Toronto Yachts Sales, part of United City Yachts, Canada's Yacht Sales network. Today we're on a 35-foot Carver Mariner 1998 that we have offered for sale in Mississauga. This is a guided 360-degree video virtual tour. You can adjust the camera position whether you're on your computer or watching the video on the phone while I take you through the boat. So the Mariner is a Flybridge model. Right now we're up in the Flybridge area. So it's a fully enclosed Flybridge cockpit. And there is a walk-through on either side of the Flybridge to get over to the bow. Also a bench seat on the bow. This is our aft cockpit area. Take you inside. So there's steps that will take you up to the Flybridge from the inside. Our dining area here converts into sleeping for two. Full galley here with sink, 2-burner electric stove, and an Ostra microwave. And we've also got, what's really nice is a full fridge freezer. Take you over to the head. So there's an electric head sink and a full walk-in shower with a bench seat and shower sprayer. And here we have our forward cabin. Forward cabin also has its own door to the head for privacy.